Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change Google Chrome image like mine. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, if you want to set GIF wallpaper into your Google Chrome home screen, you just have to come over your search option and search for GIF. And then you just clicked on image, and you can see there are a lot of GIF image, but I want to save in Google GIF. You can see, click on that, and you can see there are a lot of Google GIF over here. So there are a lot of quite options you can see. So just for, you can see I want to save this GIF into my Google Chrome home wallpaper. So for that, you can see I need to save image into my gallery. Click down save, and after that we need to create a new tab and come over this customize this page option. And if you now click on your upload image, and now if you select the downloaded, so now if you selected the downloaded your GIF, you can see the GIF is showing over here, you can see. So this is how you can set wallpaper into your Google Chrome. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you on another video. Till then, goodbye.